Welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. I'm going to be doing a quick video with you guys. I did this video on how to clean jewelry, sterling silver jewelry, and get the shine back. But I have two methods. One is more so like a paste, and the other method is just rubbing the one of the items on the actual jewelry with your finger, and as you rub it shines and gets off the tarnished stuff. So you're gonna need Dawn dish liquid and you're gonna need some baking soda. So I have both of those here, and what I'm going to show you is two different earrings. I had these earrings for, I'm sorry guys, I am actually creating Christmas earrings. I told you guys I still do my jewels, CPR Designs. You can look me up on YouTube at CPR DEZIGNZ and see a lot of my designs. Once you put that in, it's a commercial that I have when I opened up my studio years ago, and also just many videos showing you how I recreate jewels and make custom jewels and shoes to match and all that stuff. But anyways, back to this. So I had these for years and I love these. I love these. These are just something I throw in my ear when I'm just chilling, nothing major, just something cute in my ear. And I thought that I lost them. I had this box, as you can see, this box looks like it's been around for forever, and I keep sterling silver pieces in it. And I had one of these inside a jewelry box that I keep my bracelets, and I was like, what is that? And no, actually I'm lying. It was inside a box in my jewels where I create jewelry and stuff, like my tools, that's what I meant to say. And it was wrapped up in this vintage scarf, beaded scarf that I forgot that I still had. It was like hanging from it. I said, oh, there's my earring. And I always had this one upstairs in my little jewelry box, but I could never find the other one. So today I started cleaning it, and it's not fully clean. I gotta wipe some of the baking soda and stuff off of here, and this is the one that's tarnished like really bad. Look how bad that is. Very badly tarnished. Excuse my hands, they kind of arshy. But I'm going to clean both of these, and I'm going to show you the method that I use. The method that I use is so simple, and I couldn't find the back, so I took this old piece of silver that I had, and I just took the earring back off of this. This is an earring that I love. I cannot find it. It's very old, so I'll probably make a necklace or a pendant out of that, but it just sits in my little box. So I have these two earrings, and I'm going to squirt a little bit of Dawn, and I'm going to take some baking soda and make a paste. Now, two things you can use: a toothbrush, or you can use a this thingy here. I forgot what it is, but you guys know what I'm talking about. And you just kind of press inside the paste, and you wet it just a little bit, just a tad, just enough to get it wet. And I'm going to show you how, just with this, how it gets off the, ooh, I broke my, oh, the jump ring is open. No worries. You know I can fix that stuff, because that's what I do. Just with scrubbing, look at that one section. Come on, zoom, come on. Camera, act right. Look at that one section. Let me just wipe it with my finger. See how shiny that is compared to, let me show you one that's not, did I grab the right? Yeah, I did. See how shiny it is compared to this one here on the side that still got tarnished stuff on it. So I'm gonna go and see, well, the one next to it, see it? I'm going to go and I'm going to continue shining this and show you actually how it looks. And all I'm doing is just laying it in my hand, and I'm just taking this oh gosh, steel wool, that's what it is, fine steel wool, and I'm just rubbing up and down it. Now this is when you have real tarnished stuff. I know the silver ring that I cleaned in a previous video wasn't too tarnished, so that's one side, right? Now let me flip it over so you can see the other side that is not cleaned, the difference. I actually, hold on, let me see. You can see the difference in these, and now they are shining again, just with rubbing over them with the steel wool. So that is another way to clean. And if you want to get in the crevices, you just take it, let it lay in your hand, and you get all in the crevices of the jump rings and all around the area up here. So yeah, that is how another way to clean your sterling silver. So it goes from tarnished to looking nice and shiny. And this is the side that I didn't clean too well. So yeah, I'm gonna keep cleaning and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. And the next step is to get all the powdery stuff off of it. See all that? Let me show you how it's gonna shine. Just regular cold water, nothing major. And then you have a nice piece of shining silver that is no longer tarnished, and it looks amazing. Yeah, so we're gonna clean this one, get all this powdery stuff off of it, just with rinsing it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have sterling silver, make sure to join my family by hitting that subscribe button and hitting the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below and I will definitely get back to you. I hope you are enjoying the how-tos, the DIYs, and how you save dimes and your coins on this channel. If so, make sure you thumbs up, share the channel, and I will see you guys later, Gators. So guys, I had to add something else. I feel like it still wasn't dirty enough. So this is an old, oh my gosh, old anklet that I have. And I'm going to do the same thing by going in here and cleaning this anklet. Look how dirty it is. Like, I want you to see the difference so you can know the difference between what's clean and what's not. You see how dirty that anklet is? So I still got to rinse these off and pat them dry, whatever. And I did fix it. So yeah, I'm gonna go in now with something like this. You can put gloves on if you choose, but I'm gonna go in and I'm going to scrub this in my hand. Now, disclaimer, if you have big pieces, I would recommend you just using the actual baking soda and the item without the steel wool. Because it will leave little scratches. So if it's something really smooth and shiny, I wouldn't recommend you do the steel wool. So this is literally getting in there, and I'm going to continue doing this so we can get this bad boy shining. I wanted to add this to the video because the last time I did get somebody like, well, can I see something even dirtier, because I have a lot of sterling silver and I can't get it clean. But I want to make sure that basically they're not wasting their time doing this. So you see how it's coming clean? So I'm going to pause. I don't want to hold you too long. And I'm going to continue just scrubbing this in my hand. And this is a really sturdy sterling silver anklet that I will be repairing to put it back on my ankle. I love anklets. I keep them on and my toe rings on constantly. I don't never even take them off. And instead of fixing this, I don't even know why I threw this in the box. You see how it's starting to shine? It's getting all in those crevices of this silver. So let's pause and I will be back. All right. When I say they don't make jewelry like they used to, they do not make it like they used to. It is not the same. These little stars are heavy. Like, this is a heavy piece of sterling silver, and this will last forever. I can pass this down, give this to one of my girls or grandchildren in the very far future. Far away future. Look at that. Look at that. So let's rinse it off. Okay, it is rinsed. Now let me get this soap and crap off of it. Do y'all see that bad boy? Do y'all see that bad boy? Now this is a piece of sterling silver chain that I want to clean as well, because I need to use it to repair some other stuff, but I want y'all to see the difference. This one is still dirty. This one is clean. I haven't dried it, but do y'all see how that came clean? Let me clean this. Gonna just take it and rotate it with the toothbrush the same way I did the other piece. Don't ever get rid of these. Like, pieces like this, I utilize these to fix other pieces that pop or need to be extended if I need sterling silver. Now with this piece, I'm taking this steel wool and I'm putting it inside the steel wool and I'm pulling just like that, because it's so thin you won't be able to see any imperfections or scratches. So I'm taking and I'm actually using the paste and scrubbing it like this with the steel wool. And look at, do you see how shiny that is? This stuff works, guys. Dawn dish liquid and baking soda, or either just baking soda by itself. I like the soapiness to really get in there, so that's why I use the paste when it's really tarnished. And look, we have 2 shiny pieces of silver. I hope this was helpful. I had to stick that in here so you can see something even tarnished. All right.